10 Amazon home finds. First are this rolling laundry basket has a slim design, making it perfect for small spaces. In the bedroom, tuck beside the dresser. In the bathroom, tuck beside the vanity, or even in the closet. And this is an adapter that has 3 different plugs, allowing it to work practically anywhere in the world. And into it, you can plug in a device from any country as well. It also has 1 USB-C port and 4 USB ports. And this baby seat is a must. It's easy to unfold and straps at the waist and chest. Comes with a tray for food, and there is a pocket on the back to store bibs or toys. This is great for traveling or being on the go and comes with a travel bag for easy storage. And this is a portable bed tent. It comes with a pump so you can easily inflate and assemble. After your kiddos climbs in, you can zip them aside so they are safe. Great for hotels, staying at grandma's, or being outdoors at nap time. And this is the magic stain spray. This stuff will get out any stains, even berries, old stains, and oil stains. They also have a travel pen now, and the ingredients somehow contain no harsh chemicals. This is the sticky memo boards or home office must. Stick them on the side of your monitor for reminders and to-dos. No more sticky notes cluttering your desk. Peel them off after tasks are completed. And this footrest has a slipper compartment in more than 4 different ways to rest your feet, and it can also be rocked back and forth. These thermal labor printer, and it's compatible with any Bluetooth device, inkless and compact. Great for printing forms, concert tickets, work documents, or coloring pages. Perfect for on the go and for travel. And this Deslock Smart Lock is the best smart lock under $100, and it's easy to install with a couple simple steps. The app allows you to set different access as well as lock options. There's an activity log where you can see who goes in and out. Get in using a dedicated password, putting the RFID card to the lock, or manually using the key. It is waterproof and can be used in the rain when using your fingerprint. Even little kids can get into the house with ease. And lastly, this automation clip, this curtain opener onto the rod, then works up to curtains up to 33 pounds. The solar power charger easily clips onto the curtain opener for endless power. Watch your curtains open within seconds by using the app Alexa or Rainbow, a simple and easy upgrade.